gooey chocolatey goodness.
Evening guys, how are you? I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to my vegan chocolate cake. I use jacqueline tin for all my cakes because the jacqueline tin doesn't get too hot, so it protects it and doesn't turn it dry. We open them up. Then these pieces go around the outside of the tin. Nice big bowl. We want to incorporate air into our cake. Here we're making a vegan cake, so there's no cream in. Chemistry is going to do the work for us, okay? First, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder, distilled vinegar, oil, almond milk I use for apricot puree. What's important when you do it is you make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl. Now, very important when we make chocolate cake, we need to add boiling water to it. Even if you do a regular chocolate cake, you want it to be quite loose, the batter. So the more moisture we have in the cake, the more moist the final product will be. And what we're looking for in a cake is not dry, but moist. Very important. 160 is what you want exactly for this cake. On a fan-assisted oven. It's very important, fan-assisted, okay? If it's starting to look cooked, don't mess around with it. Do not open your oven until 40 minutes, please. Thank you very much. You need about 10 minutes longer on vegan cakes than regular cakes, just for the chemistry to work. So please, don't open the oven, don't touch it, don't look at it, don't stand near it, nada, okay? Toda. Our timer's up. We're going to remove the cake from the oven, okay? Don't be alarmed by the dip in the centre. It's hiding gooey, chocolatey goodness. You have to let your cake rest. You want to get your knife in there, you want to have some fun, but you've got to let it rest first, okay? Once it's rested for a sufficient amount of time, which is usually 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you work on a tin. Rejettable tin comes with a lid. It's a little bit gooey. It's still warm. It's a little bit fudgy. Cook this recipe. It's very good. Bye everybody.